When you have time, it's best to do some snacks for the kids or even for yourself or even for a visitor. This is a quick snack that you can make in 15 minutes. I'm going to show you how to do yogurt and blueberry muffins. For this recipe, I'm using 170 grams self-raising flour. If you are using plain flour, make sure to add a teaspoon of baking powder with a pinch of salt, 2 large eggs, quarter cup or 65 grams yogurt, 80 grams butter, 125 grams blueberries with half a cup of sugar. You can always add more sugar or decrease the sugar level too. So let's start doing it. Into a mixing bowl with the whisk attachment, add the sugar. Into that, add the butter. The butter needs to be in room temperature. Whisk the butter and the sugar on a high speed until it's creamy and pale in color. After, reduce the speed and add eggs one by one. Now increase the speed again. When you do this, always make sure to scrape the ends down and whisk again. After, add a teaspoon of vanilla. Now scrape the ends again. Add the flour and then the yogurt. Now whisk on a slow speed again. And then increase the speed. Scrape down again. And it's ready. At this point, the oven to be preheated to 180 Celsius in a normal oven or 160 in a fan forced oven. I added a teaspoon of flour onto the blueberries and tossed it like this. And now going to add that into the batter. With the spatula, fold it over. Make sure to mix it properly. If you like to add some chocolate chips, feel free to add some, about 50 grams. I have this muffin pan with the patty pans on. Normally we can do 6 to 8 large ones or 12 medium ones. So get a scoop full of the mix and put it in. So this goes to the preheated oven about 50 to 20 minutes or until a skewer inserted comes out clean. The blueberry cupcakes are ready and this is how it is. It's a really soft and moist cake that you can do in 15 minutes. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.